Hey traders, how's everybody doing? Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another week, another month. We officially are going to be trading the month of February. So January 2022 is history. So welcome to our Forex weekly analysis. Make sure you do not trade this week until you watch our Forex weekly analysis, all right, because it's gonna be on fire. The month of January we were amazingly delivering, what we our weekly analysis, which was pretty damn good. Well, welcome to our Forex weekly analysis, guys. This is for the week of the 31st to February 4, 2022, trading with our multiple time frame in our website tweforexsystem.com. So welcome back to our weekly Forex analysis. Let's get to work. Let's see what the market has to offer. A brand new month, guys. There will be a lot of new setup this week, guys. On Monday, you guys gonna be seeing a lot of new master trend. So there will be a lot of setup forming this week. So be on the lookout. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and start, guys, with the first pair of the day. The first pair that I have here for everyone. You know what? Let me go ahead and start with GBP USD. Pay close attention what GBP USD is doing, guys. GBP USD is clearly in a what? What do you guys think it's doing? What do you guys think it's doing? Let's do it this one. We're gonna do our weekly. That's what I said, guys. Do not trade this week until you watch our Forex weekly analysis. We're gonna do it differently this time. I think it's gonna be more an educational way for you to learn what's the market doing and why I'm doing it. Because remember, all I care, guys, and all you should care is only what is gonna happen from Monday all the way to Friday. That's it. We don't really care in the past, so this is it. So you can use the past only as a labels. All right, so first thing first, guys, always pay attention to your dashboard. Your dashboard is gonna be giving you the answer of your trade. Always pay attention to the time frame that you are planning to trade. For instance, I like to trade 1 hour, right? So 1 hour in here is telling me, Irving, the market's still selling. So Friday, market was still in a sell position. So now, what are we doing this week? So the second thing that you have to do, guys, is you have to you need to spot the multiple time frame going in the same direction of your TW sniper entry. So here it is. Watch. Pay close attention, guys. I'm doing this slowly. So here's your multiple time frame, letting you know that we are in a sell position. What is your TWE sniper entry saying? It says that we are also in a sell position. Look at the sell. So what is the stair doing, guys? Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. So the market here is only going in one direction. It match our multiple time frame. It match what the dashboard is saying. So market is trying to get ready for a pullback. It's trying to get ready for a pullback. But is it ready? Of course not. Market still trending down. So all I can say, guys, this week, market is still gonna be pushing down. There's no bullish yet. Yes, the market is giving us a signal that it's getting ready, but there is no bullish yet. So market is still gonna be coming and retesting this multiple time frame here, getting strength. And then from there, maybe on Monday or Tuesday, we are gonna start looking for a bullish trend. Market is gonna come back and retest this previous support and resistance, and here, boom, and then market will continue the original destination, which is the sell position. All right, fair enough. Let me know, guys, if I'm going too fast. Make sure you guys do me a favor. If you guys are finding value from this video, if you are, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know if this type of education purpose that I'm doing here, it works out, and so on. So the more you let me know, the better off we're gonna get in here. All right, so fair enough. And one quick disclaimer, guys, before we move on, is the following, guys. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. Please learn how to trade. Do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. This business is amazing, but you need to learn with rules, guys. Don't just trade blindly. All right, fair enough. right, let me go ahead and give you the next pair of the week. So remember, we are trading the month of February, guys. This is the very first week of February. So February is gonna be a short month. So, but here it is, guys. It's the first month of February. So we add up gold because I did got a lot of, I think it was like 4 people request gold to please drop it, because they said Irvin, the market was bullish and now suddenly it dropped down. What is going on? And I said, dude, let me add it to your to the weekly analysis, and I'm gonna break it down. So first thing first, let me explain you why is the market selling, because it's very important for you to know that. Look, what's the very first thing that you have to do? Look at here. Very first thing you have to do is pay attention to your dashboard. Dashboard is giving you the answer. I like 1 hour. 1 hour is saying Urban, market is selling. That's all it's saying. Market is selling. Then the second thing that you have to pay attention here is what is multiple time frame doing with your multiple time frame sniper entry. So here it is. You know what? Let me label it so you will not get confused. You guys will not get confused because I'm doing this slowly. So step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4, real time. That's it, guys. So it is in here in Forex. I'm giving you the formula, but there's more. There's more, but unfortunately I cannot give you everything because hey, it takes time. So come to class. Come this Tuesday, we're gonna be doing a live class on Zoom. Come and ask questions and so on. So this is what the market is doing, selling. Multiple time frame is selling. TW sniper is selling. Look at the stairs. It's clearly market is going where? It's only going in one direction. That is selling. So market already retested previous multiple time frame, which is amazing. But it's not done yet. Market still selling. So all I can say is market still gonna push to this green arrow in here to your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Then market is gonna come back and retest your multiple time frame all over again, and it's gonna make this buy position. This is gonna be a pullback, minor pullback. Then market is gonna make a pullback, like I say, and then probably by Tuesday, Thursday, when we come back to do the before and after, everything is gonna continue as a sell. Because remember, we're gonna meet this Wednesday, guys. This Wednesday we're gonna do the before and after, right? So hopefully this makes sense. Please drop the comment below if you guys are confused. And one thing, guys, that I really wanted to let you know, guys, I'm super excited to let you know that we have our products. We had our Forex merchandise, so come and check it out. The link is below. So we have multiple merchandise available, freaking amazing. There are 11 pages that you can see it. So 12 pages. So it's amazing. There's multiple different designs that you can select. So come and check us out. The link will be in the description of the video. Support, help us out, and let us know if you want to grab some of the merchandise. But it took a long time to create this project, but here it is. It's up and running. So come and take a look at it and see if you guys are gonna be finding value. Okay, but this is gonna be amazing, guys. There's aprons, there's a bunch of stuff. Also, guys, there you can come here to the menu and you can grab, check the tab. There says man, and it has a whole bunch of stuff on it. Same thing on women's, kids. Let's say you baby, you want to do whatever you want to do. There's a lot of stuff in it. There's accessory, there's cat pillow, there's backpacks, so on. There's phone cases, aprons, socks, stickers, and so on. So there's a lot for you to pay close attention. So check it out. The link is in the description of this video. Here it is. Here's a team with Irvin Forex Trading. So there's a lot of great stuff in it. So please help us out and let us know if you guys like it. Alright, but I'm very super excited to let you know that Team with Irvin has merchandise available for you guys. So the link will be on the description. So support the channel, and remember, we are super excited. So let's give him a round of applause, guys. Woo! Boom! You better believe that. All right, let's move on to the next pair of the day, guys. The next pair that I have here, it is USD Canadian. What is USD Canadian doing? All right, so this is what I'm seeing. Pay close attention. What's your dashboard telling you? What's the dashboard telling you? What's the dashboard? Pay close attention. Remember, 1 hour is my favorite time frame. 1 hour saying, oh, 1 hour is the only time frame going against the original trend. It's saying it's contradicting the 4 hours. So it's saying the market is bullish. All right, fair enough. So let's do our weekly analysis and see if everything works out. If it is, it is. If it's not, there's nothing I can do. Don't forget, guys, we have our trading merchandise below, so support the channel. All right, so pay close attention here. What is multiple time frames saying here? Clearly, I'm in a buy position. Our TW sniper entry is also saying, Irving, we are in that buy position as well. Fair. So the market here is clearly in a buy, so everything seems to be in a bullish trend. So the market here is giving us what? Is getting ready for that retracement and saying, hey Irving, we are gonna be pushing the market down. So I believe that is accurate. The market is gonna push back down to your 50 Fibonacci level. Just remember, market here is clearly still in a bullish trend. So the market is gonna come back and retest this previous. Look at here, multiple holding resistance in this area here. It's amazing, guys. I really like it here. So market is still gonna be making another retracement because this pullback here, we are doing a pullback on USD Canadian. I believe this first week of February, guys, the market is gonna be performing a pullback clearly on the USD Canadian pair. If you guys agree or think market is doing something else, make sure you let me know. Let me know in the comment below and see if it's true. All right, so any question, guys? So far, super excited to let you know the market is what it is. So let's collect those coins, guys. Time to collect the money, man. It's time to collect the money, I'm telling you. All right, let's move on to the next pair. Any other question, guys? Let's go. The next pair that I have for everyone here, it is Euro USD. Euro USD is kicking butt, guys. You know what pair kicked my butt this week, guys? GBP. What was it? Euro GBP. Yeah, Euro GBP kicked my butt. Oh my god, I lost money on that one, but USD 30 make it up. And it barely make it up, guys. The amount that money that I lost is the amount that I made on the USD 30. And then I said, you know what, the hell, let me get out of the market, and that's it. But at least, you know, I break even. Not break even. I think I make about 500 bucks. That was it for only for Friday. That was yesterday. Today is Saturday, but yesterday, Friday, I closed the week, the month, with $100 on that day. So still not a bad day. So pay attention what Euro USD is doing. What is Euro USD doing? Look at here, clearly saying, oh Irvin, I'm in a buy position. Good, but I don't think so. Look at here, multiple time frames saying, hey, I'm in a sell position. TW sniper entry saying, hey, I'm in a sell position. Look at the sales. Sales is clearly going in one direction. So all I can say, guys, market's still gonna be pushing back down to your 0 Fibonacci level all over again. And then from here, yes, the market is gonna get ready to retest this previous multiple time frame in here, which is gonna be between your 23 and your 38 Fibonacci level. And then here, hopefully by Wednesday, we are gonna be looking for a red arrow popping in down and say, oh, the market is still gonna be pushing back down. But I think it's gonna be a short movement, because by then, hopefully, market is gonna turn the other way around, and we are gonna be looking for the bullish trend. But hey, we're gonna do the before and after on Wednesday. We're gonna analyze it together with you so you can see it if everything makes sense. If it doesn't, there's nothing I can do. All right, so just wanted to let you know that, because I don't want my heart to be beating purple. Trust me, sick guy. All right, so any question, guys? So far, guys, we are do not trade the market, guys. If you are watching this video, you know, you came in late, do not trade the market until you watch the whole video and see if it makes sense. And don't forget, guys, one thing that I want to ask you is support our merchandise and see if something works out for you. You know, do some shopping in there and help us out. All right. So what are we doing this week, guys? All we're doing this week is we are doing our Forex trading weekly analysis for the week of this January 31st to February 4, 2022, trading with our multiple time frame system. So once again, guys, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless the world, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. And I will see you guys back on our Tuesday session. So we may do a live session on Monday. So let me know in the comment below if you guys want me on Monday, so we can talk about any fear that is in your mind. Okay. So once again, guys, come back on Monday or either Tuesday. Peace out. Love you, each and every one of you guys. See you. Hasta la vista, baby.